Hello everyone, let's solve the today's LeetCode challenge, which is minimize maximum pair sum in an array. So in this problem, we are given an array of integer numbers, and what we have to do is we have to maximize the pair sum such that the maximum pair sum which we are getting is minimized in this array. So let's have a look on an example. Try with this example. In this case, we are not allowed to straight away use the pairs. If we use the pairs 3 and 5, it would be 8 and it would be 5. So in this case, maximum value is 8. But we are given that we have to minimize this maximum pair sum. So for that, how do we minimize the maximum pair sum? So in that case, like the approach came in my mind is like, why don't we just choose the minimum element and the maximum element together at every instant? So in this case, like we will choose the minimum element and the maximum element, and after that the second minimum element, second maximum element. Okay, so now the pair sum would be 7 and 6. So firstly, these were the pair 8 and 5. Now 7 and 6 are the pair. So that's why we can choose in a way that we are choosing the minimum and the maximum element. So if we have to choose the minimum and maximum at every step, why don't we just sort this array straight away? So if we sort this array, it would be like this: 2, 3, 3, 5, and we can use two pointers, one with at the starting and one at the end, and it will keep on moving in this direction. So and at every moment, we'll just capture the maximum sum. So here the sum is 7, and for this pair it is 6. So maximum sum so far is 7. So we are going to return that. Okay, it was quite simple. Like I don't find it a medium level problem. It's quite easy. We just have to sort the array and then doing the iteration using two pointers and check for all the pairs. So the approach would be sorting the array and using two pointer, one from starting and one from the end, and checking all the pairs. We are also given that the size of the given array would be even, and we can only use one item for one pair only. Okay, now let's start writing the code. So first of all, we are just going to sort this array sort nums. I'm just also capturing the length. Now we can take a variable to store our answer, and in the answer I will just return this. Now we have to check for all the pairs. For I equal to 0, I less than, it should go to till n by 2 and I plus plus. Math dot max nums of I first largest from starting plus largest from end, nums of n minus 1 minus I. So for an array of size 4, the first element should be 0 and the last element should be 3, which is length 4 minus 1 minus I. Let's try to run this code. We go to typo. Okay. So, task cases are passed. Now let's try to submit it. Okay, got submitted successfully. Okay, thank you guys.